Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, heated front seats, security system, low tire pressure warning. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.